Hello everyone. Today we're addressing one of the biggest challenges in IT, ending database downtime. Greater than we are moving away from the era of manual monitoring and daily crashes. Instead, I'm going to show you how to achieve 24/7 automated administration using Unicorntechint Agent Studio. This is episode 1, and in just 15 minutes, we will build an expert AI agent together. As our operations scale, we often hit a wall that isn't about sales or marketing. It's about the backbone of the business, database management. Imagine expanding to 30 branches, like Greenmart here. Suddenly, systems start to crawl, and complex queries just hang. The real challenge? Most businesses don't have the budget or the need for a full-time, 24/7 DBA. This creates a critical gap that slows down everything. Most IT teams are caught in what we call the loop of doom. It starts with a system slowdown, leads to a quick manual fix, but because we never touch the root cause, the issue inevitably comes back. We aren't solving problems, we're just resetting the countdown to the next crash. Managing a database 24/7 shouldn't be a headache. With our Agent Studio, you can deploy an expert AI database administrator with absolutely zero code. It combines automated expertise with relentless monitoring, ensuring your system stays healthy while your team focuses on growth. It's the ultimate round-the-clock solution for organizations that need expert DBA support without the overhead. To build a truly effective AI agent, we don't just use a generic model. We rely on 3 fundamental pillars. First is identity. We define exactly who the agent is and its specific role. Second is brain power. We select the right engine and token capacity to handle complex reasoning. And finally, personality. This is where we fine-tune the parameters to ensure every response is consistent and technically accurate. Together, these pillars transform a blank AI into your most reliable, specialized DBA. Now let's look at Pillar 1, identity. This stage is all about establishing who the agent is and the context it operates in. As you can see, we define 3 key elements: the system name for internal tracking, the display name for the dashboard, and most importantly, the role context. A quick tip here. Think of the role context as a high-level name tag, like Expert SQL Server DBA. It sets the tone without needing the full technical instructions yet. Moving on to Pillar 2, this is where we equip our agent with true analytical power. For the engine, we highly recommend GPT-4o. As you can see on the scale, we are prioritizing precision over creativity. We need its deep reasoning capabilities to accurately analyze complex weight stats. To support this, we set the max tokens between 2,000 and 4,000. This gives the AI enough breathing room to generate detailed root cause analyses and complete SQL scripts, without getting cut off mid-sentence. Now let's look at Pillar 3. How do we make sure our AI doesn't make things up? It all comes down to controlling its personality. Look at the first slider. We drop the temperature all the way down to 0.1. In the database world, we need hard facts, not imagination. This low setting forces the AI to be incredibly rigid and accurate. But accurate doesn't have to mean robotic. By setting the top P to 0.6, we give the AI just enough flexibility to communicate those strict facts in a smooth, conversational tone. It's the sweet spot between technical perfection and human readability. Instead of spending hours manually decoding complex server logs, this AI engine acts as your 24/7 database administrator. As you can see on the screen, when the system detects raw weight stats, like a high CXPACKET or lock contention, it doesn't just throw an obscure error code at you. It instantly translates that raw data into clear, actionable steps. It immediately tells you exactly what to do, whether that's adjusting your MAX DOP settings or clearing lingering transactions. It simply turns complex data into instant solutions. That brings us to the end of episode 1. As you can see, we've successfully built our empty vessel, taking complex human logic and converting it into a solid AI foundation, entirely without coding. But an empty vessel is meant to be filled. In episode 2, we'll take the next step and show you exactly how to inject your unique organizational knowledge and specific SLA requirements directly into this system. In the meantime, if you're ready to start building this kind of intelligent infrastructure for your own business, Unicorn Tech Integration is here to help. All of our contact information is right here on the screen. Please feel free to snap a quick photo or visit our website to reach out. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in episode 2.